on digital platforms for mobile money and for digital lenders was discriminatory against that of the banks, because banks were getting preferential treatment by getting preferential rates. But Honorable Speaker, our report aims at harmonizing the rates that are being charged by digital lenders and microfinance institutions to that of the banks, Honorable Speaker, so that we create a level playing field. Honorable Speaker, some of us, when we left school, the first thing we wanted to do was open a bank account. The people that are leaving school, the first thing they want to do is not open a bank account, is to have a digital wallet. And we're saying we need to incentivize this space. This is the next frontier in financial inclusion, and we are asking this Honorable House to agree with us and pass our report, pass the amended finance bill as proposed by the Committee of Finance and National Planning. And with those very many remarks, I want to donate the rest of my minutes so that this House can extensively debate this particular matter, and hopefully our good idea can give birth to a great idea, and that great idea can give birth to the greatest ideas. And with that, Honorable Speaker, I support, and I ask the Vice Chair of our committee, the Honorable Ambassador Benjamin Langat, to second.
Thank you, Honorable Kimani. Who is seconding you? Danger.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want